Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. That's just not true anymore. Today, with just $100, you can start building real wealth. Not someday, right now. The truth is, the hardest part isn't finding the money, it's getting started. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest your first $100, even if you've never invested a dime before. We're talking about real, beginner-friendly strategies that actually work.
Your money's working while you do less. Stay lazy, let your money do the rest. The lazy investor.
I'm Paul Cox, the Lazy Investor, and I'm here to break it down crisp and clean for you. But first, if you're looking for real actionable steps you can take right now to build wealth, learn to invest, learn about crypto, real estate, precious metals, if you're an entrepreneur. Or if you want to be an entrepreneur, this is the channel for you, and it's the only thing I care about, so hit the subscribe button. Or, at the very least, click. Like for me, that helps a lot too. Thanks. Now let's break it down. First up, fractional shares. A single share of companies like Amazon or Tesla can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But with fractional shares, you don't need to buy the whole thing. You can own a piece of a stock for as little as $1. Apps like Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood let you buy a percentage of a share based on how much money you want to invest, not how much the stock costs. So if you want to put $25 into Apple or $10 into Google, you can. Fractional shares let you start small, diversify early, and build confidence without needing a big bankroll. Next, crypto micro-investing. Let's be real, crypto can be risky, but it's also accessible. With platforms like Coinbase, Cash App, or Kraken, you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum starting with just a few dollars. Don't fall for the myth that you have to buy a whole coin. You can invest $10, $20, even $5 in crypto. The key is to treat it like any other investment. Long-term thinking, small consistent contributions, and don't bet more than you can afford to lose. If you're curious about crypto, micro-investing is the best way to dip your toes in without getting burned. Now let's talk real estate without buying a house. Yeah, you heard that right. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, let you invest in real estate without needing a down payment or a mortgage. You're basically buying shares in a company that owns or finances income-producing real estate. That could be apartments, warehouses, shopping centers, you name it. REITs pay dividends, they're traded like stocks, and you can start with as little as $10 to $20. Look into ETFs that include REITs or apps like Fundrise that offer low entry real estate exposure. Real estate used to be out of reach, not anymore. Let's not forget one of the easiest paths for new investors. Automated investing. Apps like Acorns, Betterment, or M1 Finance allow you to automate your investing with as little as $5. You choose your goals and risk tolerance, and the app does the rest. They build a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds for you, and you don't have to worry about what to buy or when to sell. It's perfect for busy people, beginners, and anyone who wants a hands-off way to grow their money. And you can schedule automatic deposits. Even $10 a week makes a difference. Automated investing takes out the emotion, builds consistency, and keeps your money working even while you sleep. Now, here's an underrated option a lot of people forget about: silver. Unlike gold, which is expensive, silver is the people's metal. You can buy physical silver coins or bars starting at around $30. That's right, you can own a real asset in your hand for less than a dinner out. Silver has been a store of value for thousands of years. It's tangible, it's inflation resistant, and you don't need a brokerage account to get started. Look for reputable dealers or local coin shops. You can even order online through trusted sources. Just remember, if you go physical, you need to store it safely. Silver won't make you rich overnight, but it's a solid hedge and a smart piece of a diversified beginner portfolio. Let's say you've got your $100 now. What's the best way to split it? Here's one possible approach. $25 into fractional shares of major companies, or an index ETF, $25 into a diversified REIT ETF, or a real estate investing app, $20 into Bitcoin or Ethereum via a reputable platform, $10 into physical silver, $20 into an automated investing app for long-term growth boom. You're now invested across tech, real estate, crypto, metals, and long-term funds, all with just $100. The amount doesn't matter nearly as much as the habit, because once you get started, it gets easier to keep going. And here's the best part. Most of these platforms let you add more money anytime. So if you invest $10 every week or $50 a month, those tiny decisions stack up fast. That's how real wealth is built. Not in a lottery, but in layers. Let's recap the key takeaways. Fractional shares let you own pieces of big companies with just a few bucks. Crypto micro-investing gets you started in digital assets safely and affordably. REITs give you exposure to real estate without needing to buy property. Automated investing makes growth effortless. Set it and forget it. Silver offers a tangible, low-barrier hedge against inflation. Consistency beats size. What matters most is starting early and sticking with it. Remember, $100 won't make you a millionaire, but it will do something even better. It'll make you an investor. And that mindset shift is everything. Because once you believe that your money can work for you, once you realize that every dollar is a little soldier fighting for your future, you'll stop waiting and start building. So don't wait for someday. Start today with whatever you have. Build the habit. Build the confidence. And then build the wealth. Stay lazy and let your money do the work. Click the things, and I will see you in the next one. If you're new here or you just want a point in the right direction, watch this video next.